Today I am going to teach you how to draw a simple flower in Procreate, and then we will create a surface pattern design. So let's start. Please subscribe my channel for more YouTube videos. I select a watercolor Procreate brush and gradually created a flower petal one by one. Don't be afraid of playing with the brush first. To create this flower you need to practice a few times. After creating a quick flower, I'm going to add some leaves to balance with the flower. What we will do, I created flower and leaves with two layers. Now I'm going to merge them. I keep it unchecked, so create a new layer, add any color you like, select the color layer and flower layer and make a group, and then duplicate the group into 4. Then select one group at a time, select the snapping tool and start creating a pattern with the 4 corners of the canvas. Then pinch all the 4 group and then it will be in the one layer. Now to add the space, check the layer of flowers which we uncheck and start, and fill the gap like this. Uncheck the snapping tool because sometimes it's very annoying during space filling. Now again, I simply pinch all the layers into one layer and then start duplicate into 4 layers. Now that's how we will create a repeat pattern. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Some of you don't understand in one go, so you can watch it again and again and keep practicing. So whatever you want to learn about Procreate, do let me know in the comment below. See you till the next tutorial. Bye bye.